ready for a spooky hand? It's a thing from Addams Family. Please welcome in clown action.
Start by pumping up your 260 blush balloon and tie a knot. We're going to start by making a 4 cm bubble, a pinch twist, another 4 cm bubble, another pinch twist, and then we're going to make a 12 cm bubble, and we're going to make a pinch twist. Then we're going to make an 18 cm bubble back to the other pinch twist on the other side. Next, we're going to make an 8 cm bubble, and then a pinch twist, and then another pinch twist. Then we're going to make one more 8 cm bubble, and we're going to tie it to the pinch twist that is on the other side. So as you can see now, we have the bottom of the hand and an index finger. We're going to use the remainder of the balloon to make a 4 cm bubble and a pinch twist. We're going to turn the remaining bit into a 4 cm balloon. If you have extra, just pop it off and tie a knot. This makes the pinky. Now we're going to continue on with the other fingers. We're going to pump up your other 260 blush balloon, and we're going to tie a knot. We're going to make a 4 cm bubble, a pinch twist, and then we're going to thread it through the really long bubbles in the middle so we can make our 2 other fingers. Okay, now with it threaded, we're going to make an 18 cm bubble on the bottom 2 pinch twists of the hand. Then we're going to thread the remaining bit of the balloon back up through the really long balloons in the middle so we can make our ring finger. So to do that, we're going to make one more 18 cm bubble, a pinch twist, and then a 4 cm bubble. Cut off the rest of the balloon, but make sure to save it because we need to make the thumb with it. So just tie it off. And don't forget to tie a knot on your ring finger as well. So now as you see, we have 4 fingers. We're going to make our thumb by using that remainder balloon, and we're going to tie it to the pinch twist nearest the index finger. And to make that thumb, we're going to make a 6 cm bubble, and we're going to just cut the rest off and tie a knot. And now the hand is basically done, and this part is optional, but if you do have a 360 blush balloon, you can continue with it. So just pump up your 360 blush balloon and tie a knot. We're going to have a 10 cm bubble, and we're going to turn it into an apple twist. And to do that, you're going to push the nozzle inwards, and you're going to grab the nozzle from the outside with your other hand, just like that. And then we're going to twist it so it's secure. We're going to use a scrap balloon just to tie it off and make sure that it's secure. Do a double knot just to secure it even more. Then you can cut off the excess balloon push it in a little bit just to hide it a little. And we're going to use those two tails that you used to tie it with to tie it onto the double pinch twist on the bottom of the hand. This makes the wrist. Now we're going to grab some scissors. And we're going to cut off the little tied off bits on the tip of the fingers just to make the hand look neater in general. But make sure not to accidentally cut open the knot. Just cut off the excess bits carefully. And the twisting part is complete. On to the drawing. We're going to grab a black marker and we're going to draw on some fingernails by drawing these upside down semicircles on the fingertips. And draw it on all 5 of the fingers. Next, grab a blush or a light pink marker so we can draw on the wrinkles on the fingers. So on where the joints are on all of the fingers and the remainder finger bit as well. Just like that. Then we're going to use a black marker again and we're going to draw on the scars that are on thing. So we're going to draw on the wrist. Feel free to just freestyle it or look at a reference if you want. But we're just going to draw some all over. And your balloon thing is complete.
Wow, I think from Addams Family. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.